Welcome back to the channel. Today I want us to cook some chocolate cake. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so that you can get a notification of all the videos we post. So with the chocolate cake, you start with two cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups. Then 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda. Then you mix it. And set it aside. In your blender, you break 3 eggs inside it. One cup of sugar and 1 cup of cooking oil. Then you blend it. It's now ready. Then you take an empty bowl. Then you put your mixture, all of it. Then you take your dry ingredients and put them into the mixture and keep stirring it and mixing it slowly so that it mixes well. Now mix it well, keep mixing. Then into your mixture, you keep pouring milk bit by bit so that you can see the right consistency that you want. Cake is still a bit hard. I've used 1 cup of milk. Just make sure you mix very well. If you have a mixer, it will do an excellent job. But if you don't, you can just mix the I'm doing. I think it's mixed. Now you'll need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and mix it well. And for your chocolate cake, most people use cocoa, but if you don't have cocoa, you can use drinking chocolate. Just make sure you use less sugar. So I'll use drinking chocolate. I'll put 6 tablespoons. That is it. Then you just mix it well. It will give it a very beautiful color and an awesome taste. Now I'll set it aside and wipe my table because I've made a small mess with the mixing. Now, today I want to show you how to use a pressure cooker. If you don't have an oven, you don't have to worry. If you have a pressure cooker, it can act as your oven, or even you can use a jiko. But today I want to show you how to use an oven. So I've already placed a small sufuria inside, and my small sufuria I've applied butter and have dusted it with some flour. So make sure that your pressure cooker does not have any water or anything. Just place, it's empty, and you just place a sufuria inside. So you're going to pour the mixture inside the small sufuria. When you apply butter and you dust it, your cake will not stick. If you don't, your cake will stick and it will crack when you try to remove it. It will not come out as a whole. So you just put all of your mixture inside. Okay, that is it. Now, take your cover and close it. As you all know, a pressure cooker usually has a whistle here, which releases the pressure. So when you're cooking your cake, make sure you don't put the whistle, so that your pressure cooker can easily breathe. So our cake has been cooking for about 10 minutes. Now let me first put off the heat. We're going to check it and see if it's almost cooked. I'll use a spoon to check. Not yet, you see, it's still sticking to the spoon. So I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for a few more minutes, like 5 minutes, then I check again. I bet our cake is now ready. I'll still use my spoon. You see, it's ready. It does not stick to the spoon. So we'll just remove it and set it aside to cool. Then we'll show you the final product. Now our cake is ready. We're going to check how it looks. It looks amazing. It looks good and it's very fluffy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.